A very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today, I, Veera of Class 7A, welcomes to all. School has begun. Time for work again. Time for fun. Smile brightly on your way. Online classes have started again just today. Now, I would like to call one of my friends for prayer.
A warm good morning to all of you. Today, I just flipped out of class 7th. Welcome you all in virtual morning assembly. Everybody please get ready for prayer. You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life in me flows. You are always there, close by my side. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life in me flows. You are always there, close by my side. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are with me in my mother's womb. You are with me in my days of gloom. You help me stand against all odds, and you fill me with your strength, O Lord. You are with me in my mother's womb. You are with me in my days of gloom. You help me stand against all odds, and you fill me with your strength, O Lord. Now I would like to call one of my friends for a thought.
Myself Janvi of class 17. Today's thought. Rise up, start, fresh see the bright opportunity in each new day. Thank you. Now I would like to call one of my friends for poem.
Good morning to all. Myself Sakshi from class 6B. Today I am going to recite a poem on the topic Your Best. If you always try your best, then you will never have to wonder about what you could have done if you have summoned all your thunder. And if your best was not as good as you hoped it would be, you still could say, I gave today all that I have in me. Thank you and have a great day. Now I would like to call one of my teacher for sharing her views.
Hope you have done your best in the midterm exams. Welcome back, dear students. As your midterm exams are over now, so pull up your socks and get ready for the new online classes. Be regular in your online classes for a smooth study and interactive learning. Complete your work assigned by a teacher on regular basis, because a little progress each day adds up to a big result. Thank you.